Introducing Fizzing Pool, the first completely portable soda maker. Make soda water in 2 simple steps. Insert the CO2 cartridge and twist to fizz. Then enjoy fresh, crisp, fizzing satisfaction. Enjoy soda water anytime, anywhere. Whether you are at work, on the go, or while you relax. Fizzing Bottle works for all lifestyles. Fizzing Pool is dishwasher safe and double-walled vacuum sealed. The bottle is made with 316 medical-grade stainless steel. You can also use Fizzing Pool to recarbonate flat sodas. Fizzing Pool, the first portable soda maker.
This summer, our Blackbeard frying pan was the biggest food success on Kickstarter. Forget sticky, flaky pans. We've created the ultimate frying pan, non-stick, non-scratch and stainless steel. Our first Blackbeards are very well received, so now it's time to kick it up a notch. We held a party with thousands of backers worldwide and asked them what do you need on your stove in addition to your Blackbeard. We were overwhelmed. Over 800 of you responded with feedback and ideas. Together with our top manufacturer and Michelin star chefs, we have translated your feedback into the best cookware fleet yet, the Blackbeard Armada. This is our gift to our crowd. Let's conquer the kitchen with chef-grade, durable, non-stick, non-scratch cookware for a fair price. We don't believe in big brands and insane prices. As kitchen pirates, we have cut out all the middlemen and created a smuggling route directly from the manufacturer to our backers. The Blackbeard frying pans and wok for every dish, every day. Blackbeard's lid called tricorn to control your cooking. Queen Anne's saucepans. Every dish needs a matching sauce. Concord deep casseroles. Ideal for classic cooking. Each item is designed layer by layer. The outside made of solid stainless steel, mirror polished and with strong stainless steel handles. Then a core dividing the heat throughout the whole pan. On the inside another layer of stainless steel, which we topped off with our Blackbeard coating, a non-stick, non-scratch honeycomb framework. The Blackbeard Armada is suitable for all heat sources. We are looking for mates. We would be honored to launch the complete Blackbeard Armada set together with you, sailing the smuggling route to high quality cookware. Pre-order the Blackbeard Armada now and let's hack the cookware industry. Yes, we can!
The second generation of wash-while electrolysis washing devices opens a new era of doing laundry healthily and conveniently. Since it adopts the mature wireless charging technology, it is safer and more convenient. Through its 2-level variable speed control, you can control your washing rhythm at will. The reactive oxygen species produced under the action of electricity by the second generation of wash-while electrolysis washing devices can effectively break down stains such as perspiration after sports and milk stains on baby clothes. It doesn't need detergent, doesn't cause secondary pollution, and leaves no chemical. According to the test conducted by authoritative institution, the bacterium elimination rate of the second generation of wash-while electrolysis washing devices reaches 99.98%. It saves time, is prone to zero pollution, and has no radiation. It is smaller and has stronger functions. The second generation of wash-while electrolysis washing devices is an essential device for you on business trips and travel.
We always want to make something frequently used in daily life. Something that looks extraordinary, that could be placed on any desk. Something you have never seen before as a gift. What if we integrate all of our ideas into one product? Introducing Wow Stick.